Budding is a kind of asexual reproduction in which a daughter individual is formed from a small part or a bud arising from the parental body. Bud is nothing but a cluster of somatic cells. It is found in the yeast as well as in animals. Yeast is a unicellular fungi. It undergoes cell division and new cell is formed which is smaller in size, which remain attached with the parental body and called as a new yeast cell, or it's a kind of bud. In the case of yeast, this way the cell division carried out and new buds generate one above another. The appearance of these buds which attach with the main parental body is similar to that of torula. Torula is a group of animals. They remain attached with each other, and the same thing is observed when the yeast undergo budding. And that's why budding process in the case of yeast is compared with the torula in the appearance, and that's why it is called torulation. In animals, exogenous bud or external bud develops. It is found in the hydra as well as in the cycon. We know hydra is a cylindrical organism have tentacles on it. The external bud develop on its surface on the outer side, and this small outgrowth is called as an bud. This gradually grows and later on separate from the parental body and live as an independent or individual organism. This is called as an bud formation in hydra. Cycon undergoes similar kind of process. For endogenous bud, it is also called internal budding or gemule formation. In the case of spongilla like porifera organisms, the body cavity called as a spongocyl have some cluster of cells called archaeocytes. This cluster of cell or archaeocyte collectively constitute the structure called gemule. It is an internal bud formed in the parental body, specifically in the spongocyl of spongilla like porifera organism. This gemule come outside from the osculum, that is opening of the spongocyl, and live as an independent organism. In the diagram, transverse section of sponge is found. Here, the archaeocytes are the special kind of cell which constitute internal bud. Ovulation is a kind of asexual reproduction. It is included as a kind of bud formation. The repeated formation of similar segments by a process of budding is called stobulation. Here, the parental organism undergo division and body is divided into different segments. This segmented body of the parental organism is called stobula. Each segment of the body is called amphyra. Gradually, one after another, these amphyra or segments separate from each other and live as an independent life. It gets food and grow and get transformed into the jellyfish. This can easily observe in the photograph. Fragmentation. The parental body breaks into two or more pieces called fragmentation. Each fragment develops into an individual organism. It is found in sponges, sea anemone, and hydra. Students, hydra example is given in NCERT for the fragmentation. Echinodermata also show fragmentation. The plants like algae, Spirogyra, in fungi, Rhizopus, Bryophyta, Rischia, and Marchantia, and Pteridophyta like Selaginella also show fragmentation for the asexual reproduction. If you observe the fragmentation in the flatworm, the body undergo constriction and later on divide into small pieces, and this each piece of the body later on grow into individual organism. Fungal body is formed of hyphae, which constitute a mycelium. This mycelium is a network of hyphae. At the time of asexual reproduction, the mycelium break into small pieces, and then each piece of the mycelium grow and get transformed into the new fungal body. It elongates and constitute a new mycelium-like structure.